Hi guys, welcome back to our channel. Super happy to see everyone here. So, Louis Vuitton price increase. If you're going to ask me if I am surprised, honestly guys, no, not at all. Am I upset? Just a little bit. The reason for this that I'm no longer surprised is because I feel that the price increase, not just with Louis Vuitton, but with other brands such as Chanel, are inevitable. They actually happen not just once. Everyone knows that this happens once, twice, or even 3 times in a year. It's like everything is already programmed. These luxury brands have us on our necks because even they know that they could increase their prices and the market would still be very, very high. That is why what is our counter move, guys? So we just have to be very careful of what we are going to add to our collection. That is why for this episode, we are going to discuss the new prices of Louis Vuitton bags, and of course, we are going to compare it to the old prices, because the first advice that I'm going to give you guys, if you really wanted to buy that Louis Vuitton bag or a Chanel bag, do it right now. Don't wait for another price increase to hit our way. So let's start right in. Hi guys, Ron here, Soaking Budgetarian Fashionista. I vlog about the latest news about fashion. I do luxury shopping vlogs, hauls and unboxings. I also do bag reviews and provide styling tips. I'm inviting you to please join our ever-growing fam by clicking this cute little icon here so you can easily subscribe, and I will be more than happy to welcome you to our family. Also, please do follow me on Instagram.com/Ramira5 so you could get daily updates and styling tips coming from me.
Pochette Métis new price is $2,570. There's a difference of $520 from the 2020 price increase. Next is Neverfull MM. New price is $2,030. Price difference of $490 after 2 price increases. Next we have Neo Noe MM. New price $2,030. Price difference of $220 after 2 price increases. Next, Alma BB. New price $1,760. After 2 price increases, it increased $280. Then we have Félicie Pochette. New price now is $1,490. After 2 price increases, it increased $320. Bomb Bag. New price $2,030, and after 2 price increases, $270 price difference. We have Palm Springs Mini. New price now is $24.40. After 2 price increases, it increased $450. Then we have the Pochette Accessoire. New price is $1,290. After 2 price increase, it increased $500. Miss Mini. New price of $1,150. Price difference of $120. Capucin's BB. New price is $67.50. After 2 price increase, they increase $1,650. Double Zip Pochette. New price is $1,420, and after 2 price increases, there is a difference of $120. Félicie Strap and Go. New price is $1,760. Price difference of $140 after 2 price increase. Then we have Speedy B25. New price is $18.20. After 2 price increases, there is now a difference of $170. We have Petite Sac Plat. Originally, it's $1,380. New price is $16.20. New price difference of $180 after 3 price increases. Vanity PM. New price is $2,840. After 2 price increase, price difference of $190. We have On The Go new price is $3,100 US, and after 2 price increases, there's a difference now of $330 USD. Clay, new price is $325 and price difference of $55 after 1 increase. We have the card holder, new price of $265, price difference of $45 after 1 price increase. Card holder recto verso, new price $620 US, price difference of $30 USD after 1 price increase. Cosmetic pouch, new price of $570 USD, price difference of $20 USD after 1 price increase.
There, so how did you love our episode for today? So hopefully guys, this is very helpful and informative to each and every one of us. So again, my advice to you is Louis Vuitton and any other brands would continuously increase their price, not only once, but they would be doing it 2 or 3 times in a year. So my suggestion is, if you really wanted to add a bag to your collection, buy it right now. Don't wait sooner or later. So just like myself, I was a victim last year when I was hit with the price increase when I purchased my Petite Sac Plat. Also, another option is for you to go to the pre-love route so that you'd be able to save a little bit more of money. So hopefully guys, you enjoyed this episode. I would love to hear your comments. Please do comment down below. Alright, so before we end our episode for today, I would love to say thank you to Oat at Heart. Thank you so much for leaving this wonderful comment. Thank you so much, and welcome to our family. Again guys, I'm inviting you to please join our ever-growing fam. There's a cute little icon here, so kindly click on that one so you could easily subscribe, and I'll be more than happy to welcome you to the fam. Please do like this video, and guys, I would appreciate it if you could follow me on Instagram.com/Ramirify so you could get daily updates and styling tips coming from me. A million thank yous for staying with me in this episode. I would leave a couple of videos here for you to check out. Please stay safe. I would see you soon. Bye!